Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check iPhone battery health. So, let's dive into it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health. Here, you'll see two important pieces of information. Maximum capacity. This percentage tells you the current maximum capacity of your battery compared to when it was new. A higher percentage means your battery is still in good health. Peak performance capability. This section tells you if your iPhone is capable of supporting peak performance. If your battery is unable to deliver peak performance, you may experience unexpected shutdowns. If your maximum capacity is significantly lower than 100%, or if your peak performance capability is showing any issues, it might be time to consider replacing your battery. And there you have it. With this method, you can check your iPhone battery health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.